Grande Specchio is not only a mirror, it is also a wireless digital photo frame. I am uploading my holiday pictures from Japan on Picasso photo album. And thanks to Wi-Fi technology, I can stream them instantly to my Grande Specchio. It also works with Flickr and any kind of RSS feeds. I can also upload them through my SD card or even my USB key, or send my pictures via Bluetooth. By the way, I can control my frame directly from my iPhone or my laptop. Can you believe it? Grande Specchio is also a window open into the cyber world. Parrot has developed two amazing applications, People and Holidays. Thanks to People, I can see randomly so many faces coming from anywhere in the world. Holidays invites me to escape from my day-to-day life by watching the most beautiful landscapes on Earth. I feel like a bird.